Today we are gonna make a paper airplane. So comment down below. Make sure to hit and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss out any on the videos. So first, you have your paper. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. Oh yeah. Fold it in half. Oh yeah. So after you fold it in half, it's really fun. In the comments below, make sure to tell me your favorite thing that you own. So after you fold it in half, after you fold it in half, so fold it in half. It's kind of obvious the next step. Open it back up. Okay, so this is an ordinary airplane. Fold it the middle, and fold this to there. Okay. Now fold this corner. Fold this corner to the middle. It might not be perfect, but it does fly good. But I'm sorry, but I can't show you how good it flies. But if it doesn't fly good, just tell me in the comments below. So after you do that, it should look like that. Now fold it in half. After you fold it in half. After you fold it in half. Well, tell me your favorite type of airplane or favorite type origami, and I might do with you. Okay, so after you fold it in half, flip. Sorry again. So after I fold it in half, you in the comments below. Okay, so after you fold in half, flip it. Fold this to the bottom. Okay, girls, we're almost done. And boys, I forgot to say that. This video is for everyone. And then fold this, fold that to there. This video is for everyone, by the way. And thank you for watching this. I'm so excited, just by the way. Open your plane back up. It should look like this. And if you want to, you can put a staple right there, staple right there, staple right there, and staple right there, and that one right there, or anywhere you want. It just flies better for me, and I put staples, but you don't have to. Staple there, and one there, and one there, and another there. So thank you for watching again. So I'm in part 2. I'll show you how it flies. Bye.